Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends and colleagues from IOC and IOA, guests from Paris, India and around the world, Namaskar, Bonjour. Welcome to the first ever India House in the history of the Olympics. Today, we gather here at the Paris Olympic Games 2024 to open the doors to a dream that belongs to 1.4 billion Indians, a dream to bring India to the Olympics, and our shared dream to bring the Olympics to India. A nation in its journey through time reaches a tipping point, a point when it changes the course of its history. India has arrived. It is time that the flame that was first lit in Athens must light the skies of our ancient land, India, Bharat. The day is not far when India will host the Olympic Games. May this be our collective resolve at the opening of the India House. India House is envisioned as a symbol of India's Olympic aspirations. We hope it becomes a home away from home for our athletes, a place where we honor them, salute their spirit, and celebrate their achievements. It has taken our athletes years of blood, sweat, tears, and tireless perseverance to reach the global stage. Their stories are stories of hard work, resilience, and rising above all odds. I would like to share an inspiring story of one such athlete from India, Jyoti Yaraji, our sprinting queen. Jyoti comes from a very humble background. Her mother works as a house help and her father is a security guard. She grew up with limited means, but her dreams knew no bounds. She had talent, determination, and the willingness to work hard. And on the field, that's all that you need to succeed. This is the power of sport as the greatest equalizer. She was scouted by our Reliance Foundation coaches and started training at our High Performance Center. There was no looking back after that. She went on to become the first Indian to win gold in the 100 meters hurdle at the Asian Athletics Championship. She bagged silver at the Asian Games. She became the first Indian woman to run 100 meters hurdles in under 13 seconds. Today, she is the first Indian to qualify for the Olympics in the women's 100 meters hurdles, and she's here in Paris. A big cheer for her, please. More power to Jyoti and every young girl and boy in India and around the world who find the courage, passion, and discipline to chase their dreams and make them come true. Today, we salute all the athletes from around the world competing in Paris and send them our compliments, congratulations, and best wishes for the Games. Friends, at India House, we welcome the world to experience the beauty, diversity, and rich heritage of India right here in the heart of Paris. We will also showcase our art and culture, song and dance, technology and tradition. And of course, no celebrations in India are complete without Indian food and Bollywood music. Friends, India House is not a destination. It's a new beginning for India. And to celebrate it, we have a short program that brings you the essence and the spirit of our country. I hope you enjoy it, and I wish you all a wonderful time at the Games. May they embody the noble values of sport and Olympism. Sport is the biggest unifier, and our world and our children need it now more than ever before. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.
हवाओं में बहेंगे, घटाओं में रहेंगे, तू बरखा मेरी, मैं तेरा बादल पिया।